This stands for Information and Communication Technology. It's all about the using computer and the internet to share information. Things like email, website, apps are all part of ICT.
ICT helps us to talk to people and get information super fast. So, why is multimedia so good? Picture and video help us to understand things better than just words. Learning becomes more fun when you're watching video and seeing cool graphics. Multimedia can keep your attention longer, no more boring listen. Some people learn better by seeing, others by hearing. Multimedia helps everyone.
What about ICT? What's so great about it? ICT helps us to communicate to people all over the world. Need to know something? Just Google it. ICT makes finding information easy. ICT tools like computer and software make work faster and easier. Online classes, educational apps, ICT opens up a whole world of learning.
That's all! Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe!
Online classes,
Education.
educational institutions.
It means using